Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Celso Batalha with Rick Francisco and Mike Masuda and Sayeda
Joffrey.
Jaffrey.
Yes.
And she's going to be presenting us with a video game that can be used in astronomy. So this is the meeting of the astronomy and physics department, and we have other subjects to go through, but this is the first one.
Okay, so hello. I am your new Norton rep, Sayeda. And first, I'm just going to give you all some information about the video game and who developed it, etc. And then,
So this doesn't have the. I don't
Is
have the
the-
video, the camera going.
okay, is it
So-
just the audio?
Just the audio.
Okay.
But it's capturing the screen.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So I can put the camera if you want.
That's okay. I think they just need to see the game, unless you want them to see me.
That would be good. No.
Unless Trump takes hold of it.
I don't know. It's up to you.
So the game was developed in collaboration with some experts in teaching introductory astronomy, as well as experts in video game design. So we worked with Jeff Barry and Adam Frank, as well as game-based learning experts at MIT and University of Wisconsin. We also worked with real video game designers and developers at Learning Games Network. So the way the game is structured is that students are asked to do 20 different narrative missions, and each mission spans the scope of the course from anything from basic physics to cosmology. So students are search, survey, rescue contractors from the corporation, and they have to complete an objective in each mission that requires the application of course material such as fixing a spaceship or discovering a habitable exoplanet. So when completing these tasks, students are asked to use the correct scientific tool, such as the small angle formula or the spectrum analyzer. And instructors have a gradebook that allows them to see which students have completed which task or mission, how long it took them to complete the mission, and which scientific tools they used, and whether they used the correct one to problem solve what mission they're doing.
Does this grade book goes automatically once they complete tasks?
Yes, so you'll get all of that back, and I think we can link it in with your LMS system, so it's not like a separate gradebook unless you want it to be. And then it was also class tested in 6 different campuses in the fall, and each instructor kind of used it differently in the way that they saw fit. So instructors have used it in labs, they have used it for in-class demonstrations, they've used it for group work, they used it for extra credit and even exam prep. And the game can be downloaded straight from our DLP site, which is our digital landing page, which is the link that I sent you all last week. And it's also going to be available in the App Store, so students can just go in and download it straight onto their tablet. It's free with any of the books, our astronomy books, so y'all have access to it already. And it's $35 standalone if a student doesn't want to use a book or has like an alternative resource. So let's go into the game.
This $35 would include smart work too.
It's just the video game, but
Just the video
smart
game.
work is
Can you bundle
30.
smart work
and the game. I think we can do something like that. Yeah.
What was smart work again?
Smart work is like the homework with multiple choice questions.
Oh, okay.
And there is some tutoring going on.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very well done.
Yeah, and that gets updated too. We've kind of updated the whole homework system into like a more interactive and like user-friendly format, and lots of new questions and stuff. But I'll show you
I
guys
haven't
that.
used for 3 or 4 years now.
Oh, really?
There is one for Palin K. Lumen's.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
there
think
is.
for Norton in general, right?
Yeah, for Norton, it's typically Smart Work, and we're like moving towards Smart Work 5. So, let's get this up. So there's sound, and the interface is pretty well done as far as like classroom video games go. So this is students will be asked to log in with their account first. So it'll just be their email with their password, and then they get to choose a spaceship, and the different types of spaceships gets unlocked with the amount of missions y'all will do. So I have the red spaceship right now. And let's see. Yeah. So I'm just gonna. So then all of the missions are left here, and there's 20 of them. The first 3 are kind of like informational sessions. So Corey, who's the kind of like spaceship guide, will like guide students onto which things to do. So the first 2 missions kind of feel like, well, I don't have any control, I can't really make decisions, but Corey is kind of teaching you how to use the different tools, what kind of buttons to click to accomplish a certain goal, etc. And then the missions after that are kind of like the students get to decide what they want to do, and they can get it wrong, they can get it right. But I'm going to show you guys mission 6.
Do well on it, can they repeat it?
Yeah, they can always repeat it. Yeah, and they can also die.
We are receiving
So they have like a life
62 planet.
span. I don't know how many lives they have actually. I haven't died that many times.
Pay another $35 to play again.
Yeah,
Was that-
exactly.
Or someone said it, the space price to kill you?
Yeah,
Someone said that. I can't remember.
yeah, I believe it. This is just like a beginning intro conversation. So Corey is telling us that we are receiving a distress signal from Kepler-62 planetary system.
A rogue comet is on a collision course with a deep space mining station orbiting Kepler-62f, a gas giant planet. The station's built-in protection systems have been sabotaged and rendered inoperable.
We when we did a survey, they wanted an accent, so we just decided to do English.
Over 1,000 people staff the station, Commander. The station is not affiliated with the corporation, so the corporation will not send a rescue team. We may be their only hope. We must do something.
So it kind of sets up the mission goal for the students, and like
with 5 planets
shows them through like the
located
storyline
in
of the
region
narrative
2
of the
of the
game.
Orion Sphere. It's only 368 parsecs from Earth. FTL, we're ready, Commander.
So this mission is asking me to go to a specific planetary system because there's a mission in danger next to it. And so when I do that, I'll go to the star chart and go to Kepler-62f, and I'll FTL there, which is faster than light. And this is kind of something that we just incorporated because yeah.
Take thousands,
Yes.
hundreds of thousands of years.
Exactly, and also because like an overwhelmingly amount of students when we were doing reviews and kind of testing the game were like, you have to have this feature. You have to have like the faster than light feature. And so like even though it doesn't really do anything for the yeah. So you can jump.
The station has been mining the giant planet's moons and its Trojan-like asteroids.
You have sound in space.
According to the
This is just
distress
the ship.
signal, the comet was previously
Inside the
cancelled
ship.
and should not
Exactly.
be anywhere near Kepler-62f and the mining station. It was supposed to have a 200,000-year orbital period.
Exactly.
It must have come from Kepler-62's Oort cloud.
So it'll
Commander,
use like
if we can
terms
get
that you guys
close
will probably
enough,
mention in
I can
class to
attach
kind
a
of
remote
reinforce
transmitter
knowledge,
to the
but it
comet.
definitely keeps the
That will
narrative.
allow us to steer it away
of
from
the
the mining
story.
station.
Reasonable.
We will need an estimate of the comet's mass for this to work.
I think one
That's the
mission
only way
probably
to
takes
determine how long to fire the thruster in order
10,
to change
15
the
minutes.
comet's course and
15
save the
minutes. Like I think
station.
if they really take their time, maybe like 30.
Okay.
It kind of varies.
Now, those key terms there,
Mhm.
if they don't understand or we haven't covered yet, or if they click on that, it gives information about it.
As of right now, it doesn't do that. I think it's because Frank designed it with his book. So, like, the missions are very correlated with the way, like, the class progresses. But I think in terms of, like, aligning with the course material, like, it'll be pretty similar with what you guys are using. But we don't have that feature yet. But that's a good thing that I should pass on to our editors.
So that text that's written on it is what the intelligent voice was telling you?
Yes. So this is just what she was saying,
Okay.
and it's kind of like telling them what to do. So
And I noticed some of the writing is in red.
yeah. So that's what he was pointing out. So the writing in red is kind of like the key terms
Okay.
that they should pay attention to, or things they need to
But
know.
you can't click on them.
You can't click on them, yeah. So that's
Yeah.
actually a good feature, though, that I'll pass on to the editors.
And you guys have plans to make the video game kind of independent from the book?
Yeah, I think if you're using our book,
Because you mentioned it's $35 if it goes with Alan's book, right?
no, it's free with all of the books.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's free with the books,
Mhm.
35
On
if it's
on its own, if you just want the game.
Right.
$35, just the game by itself.
By itself, yeah.
Right.
But
So right now we are using Halo.
yeah, it's free. So you guys already have,
Oh, okay.
you guys already have access to it.
How do we
So-
access it?
I could send you the link, and like you guys will have it. Yeah.
We have the tablets. We do have the tablets. We do have
Oh, you
the
guys have
tablets.
tablets?
We have
That's
the
We have
cool.
these Android tablets.
Android.
Ooh, yeah, you can use it on that. You can just download it.
So is it available through your guys' website or
Mhm.
through the?
It's not
Play-
available through the App Store yet. I think it will be in the fall. But yeah, you guys will just go in, or the students will just go in and download it, and it'll just be there. And they'll have to log in with their Norton account,
Yes.
which is what they'll just create.
Can this program be permanently put into these tablets?
Yes, yeah. So it comes up as an icon.
Okay.
That like you guys. So it's not online. It's like a system that is downloaded.
Okay.
So it's just like an app. So you just click it, it
Right.
opens up.
And you can
Yeah.
run it.
I'll actually
Yeah, that's
show you
60
guys.
minutes. You could even, now that you mentioned the tablets, we could bring to the lectures.
Yeah. So it's like another app.
Yeah, yeah.
So you would just open it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just, yeah.
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 30 or last year, 40 or 50.
Yeah, how many tablets? 30 tablets.
That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah. So it's easy accessible for y'all. So yeah. So this is asking for the comet's mass, and it'll just go
There
on.
is nothing orbiting the comet, but we
So
need
like go
to
through the mission
determine
and
the
stuff.
mass.
We don't have to go
Let's
through the whole
start
game
by
or the whole
measuring the
mission,
composition.
but this is like an example of like now you have to measure the composition, and like it just lets me figure that out. So like how do you measure the composition of something of the comet? You would click the comet, you would click tools, and I believe it's the spectrum or mass, luminosity, black body analyzer, or the light curve analyzer.
So for all the objects, you have the same tools available.
Yeah. So they kind of guide you depending on what it is. So this one, I think it's a spectrum analyzer. So you can measure it.
I have loaded a database of known comet spectra. To determine this comet's spectral type, compare the observed spectrum with the spectra from the library and find a match.
So it kind of guides the students of like how to use this and understand it. So this was actually the first time like I understand. Yeah. So this matches up with that. So I would confirm the match
Excellent
selection.
match, Commander. It
And then
looks
it'll
like
tell
this is
me.
a typical comet composed of water ice, carbon dioxide, and silicate-based rocks. We can estimate its density to be 600 kilograms per meter cubed. Now, measure the diameter of the comet.
So then students would have to go and find out. Yeah, exactly. So that would be the small angle formula. And it doesn't actually have the students do the math like this, but it has them interact with it so they can kind of like see like how this works. And then you drop that.
it works better than in my life.
Calculation complete. We've calculated the diameter of the
Good.
target object.
So then they've calculated the diameter of the target object. So it like forces them to engage with the math without actually
I'll
having them
use the
do
diameter
the math,
to determine
which
the
is a good
volume of the
reinforcement for
comet
just
and the
understanding the
composition to
concept.
estimate the density. The density times the volume will give us the comet's mass.
And then,
From our estimate of the density and the size of the comet, I have calculated its mass. I estimate that we will need to fire the thruster for at least 10 seconds. Thankfully, it's not a huge comet.
so
Okay, Commander.
now
Our
we
FTL
get
to the
to
comet when ready.
go to the comet and shoot at it.
Oh, harvest.
Yeah. So I was doing this morning and my aim was awful.
Debris.
So you have to kind of fly through the debris and make it. So it'll give you like a distance. Yeah. Yeah, somehow. And you can totally disobey it. You can like turn around and go somewhere else, which I kind of end up doing because I like exploring. But it gives you a target to go to, and you have to focus on it. And then when you fly to it, it gives you the next step of what to do. So,
Nice flying, Commander. We are in range. Press fire to deploy the remote thrusters.
so
Nice shot. Remote thruster is in position.
seriously, he'll put like countries. No, sorry. Anyway, so
Prepare
now,
to fire remote thrusters for minimum 10 seconds.
We work for the government.
clearly, I can see that. Very transparent. So you kind of fire at the comet, and it
Commander,
explodes.
the thruster has torn the comet into smaller pieces. Oh
So
no.
it's just telling me
Some
to
of the
kind of
block on.
get
Fire.
the rest of the debris and destroy it before it hits the ship. So now I'll be looking for targets once I click my laser. And it'll give me like targets in red, and I have to line it up and shoot at it, which I can't. I'm not very good at. Ah! Do you guys want to try it? You sure? You don't trust your aim? Well, you get the idea. I clearly can't make my target. Ooh, I got one. But you do that for the rest of this, and then a couple of things happen, and you finish the mission. Yeah. So it's kind of a fun way for students to engage.
Every landmark that you can pick goes to
So each mission can track. And like I said, you'll see, like, if I pick the wrong analyzer tool for the question, like, you'll see that. Like, okay, so she
So
or
if
he
the
had a hard
size
time.
is kind of unreasonable, it's gonna
Yeah.
not advance.
Yeah, I won't let you move forward if you can't if you can't pick the correct tools, or you die. Like,
No, let's say when you measure the size of the comet, for
Mm,
instance,
mhm.
if you get the numbers wrong or put it in the equation in a different way, you get some funny numbers.
yeah.
So it will accept that and give a lower point.
I
or
haven't actually played with that aspect. I would think no.
It's not gonna let you
Yeah, it would tell you that it was wrong and kind of give you like clues on how to do it. Yeah, because there's also so there's also like if this person is really having a hard time with the spectral analyzer or small angle formula, there's another aspect of the game that they can practice that in. And I remember doing it, but I can't remember now how to get back into that. But
Is there a follow-up after you finish the mission, like recapping what you just learned?
I don't think so. But that's
That would be
a
handy
good
so
feature.
that, so that they just play the game. They don't know. I mean, they're playing the game, but they
Yeah.
may not know
What
was
they're
important.
learning. Yeah, that's I'm gonna
Like
write that down.
Yeah, the reinforcements and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, that's a really good point. So,
In fact, since you are taking notes, one of the things, everything we do in our academic setting,
mhm.
and that's what we are forced to be moved to, like a bunch of cow, going in a line. We are supposed to type everything we do to student learning outcome
Yeah.
messages. So if you guys in a future update of this software, if you guys could, in the beginning of it, list some few SLOs,
Okay, like,
which would be interesting for professors that are in a hurry and say, okay, I want to get something here.
yeah,
And then you have a list of options.
to assign. That's really good feedback, actually. Okay, yeah, I can pass that on to our editor.
Good enough.
Yeah, so
Okay, any question?
How do I download it?
you just go ahead to the link, so you guys have access to it. I don't
You're asking me
think.
for registration, and then you
Yeah.
reply to me and say, well, you already have registration, and I had it, and I punched mine, but I
It didn't
stay in
go
the same
through?
I don't
place.
think I have registration. I don't think I've ever.
Did you not get a? Do you guys already have Norton accounts?
I don't.
have it.
I go through his.
Oh, really? Okay.
You're not supposed to say.
It's okay. It doesn't bother me. Like, it doesn't make it.
I told you not to.
Actually, I think
He totally sold you out.
Norton Summit.
Let me see if I can get you guys on.
Publishing. Publishing.
Yeah, so the page would be digital.wwnorton.com.
So, would you know how this book is sold to the bookstore?
In
Is the
terms
same
of,
as Understanding Our Universe? Is the same price range?
let me look. I think it's actually. I think it should be.
Yeah. Yeah, it should be the same price range. Because as I said, right now we are in the Understanding.
Yeah.
And I know Understanding is going to a new edition.
Yeah, I think in the spring. So next year.
So
Yeah.
third one. Yeah.
I think third, yeah. No, this is just information about it. But yeah, usually our books are not
I'm here now, so
Oh. It should take you to. So the page will look like this. So try and keep that, and then if you didn't have enough coverage, you don't have to, but if you have to, I think that
So you are registering yourself.
so he's just logging in.
Or logging in.
I registered a couple of years ago.
He's probably still.
I'll have to go look.
So the registration as a student.
Oh, no, I
So
did.
you can change your password if it's not working. You know, I'll have my meters proposed go ahead and change. Because you're having trouble with it.
I have access.
Oh, you do?
I have access, but not to the video game. I got frozen somehow.
Oh, really? Or do you want to use your computer? So it's downloaded now, so you have it.
Can I get out of there?
Yeah. So you can just. Oh, I think you
Save your mission.
quit
Quit
mission.
mission.
And it does save. So it can. So you already have it. So I downloaded it
guess.
onto your computer. So it's here.
So what do I do?
And then, so you don't have to use anything on the web,
Okay.
but see if your login works with. So let me sign out,
Sign out and then sign in again.
and then let's try yours.
Okay, let me see if I am entering.
Did you get an email from me last week when I granted you guys access?
I think so.
I have to take a
Password
look, I
has
don't
been
remember.
Oh, wait a second. I cannot open my list of passwords because I'm taping this. So, oops.
Good
To
thing
see
you
if I had
remembered.
saved it. Yeah, see, I apparently it has been. No?
Yeah. So with Understanding Our Universe, the ebook and the game and Smart Work is 50, and then Smart Work is 25 for Understanding Our Universe.
Okay.
And then, yeah, it comes with the game.
Okay. All right. So yeah, I probably have to register again or look for my password.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
It said it reset my password. Now I don't know how to.
You should get an email.
Haven't gotten one yet.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. That's good enough.
If you guys still don't get password set up, my media specialist can go in and just change you guys' password and then email you
Okay.
guys that one. So if this doesn't get like fixed by the end of the day, just email me
Okay.
and I can get you guys set up by next week.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, of
Thank you
course.
very
Thanks
much.
for having
Yeah.
me come in.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you
And
for.
this is for you guys. It's just information and it's a poster.
Okay.
I think you already got
I already
this,
got one. Yeah.
but
Okay.
if you open
Thank
it,
you.
it's just a poster. Okay.
If
Do you
you
want-
could give us, let me see, there are 3 other instructors. If you could,
Olenka.
Olenka,
Oh, is it Olenka?
Sean, and Paul.
Yeah, I can leave 3.
Can you
Or
leave
I
3?
can leave this.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right. Now I have to find the. We had a agenda for today. Let me see if I can find it.
Oh yeah, we have a meeting. Huh?
We have a meeting. Don't forget it. We have a meeting, important meeting.
Gotta do
Are
something.
you guys too excited about
Got to do
the game?
meeting important stuff.
Okay, bye guys.
Thank you so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Space safe. So I'm gonna tape these and send it to everyone and to her too. So
So she can get the other stuff.
where is it? What is the program? I think I was